As we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as Republic Day of India. Stop. I would like to narrate a Republic Day speech in front of you. Stop. First of all, I would like to say a lot of thank to my class teacher, as just because of her I have got such a wonderful opportunity in my school to come on this stage and speak something about my beloved country on its great occasion of Republic Day. Stop. India is a self-governing country since 15th of August 1947. Stop. India got independence from the British rule on 15th of August in 1947, which we celebrate as Independence Day. However, on 26th of January since 1950, we celebrate as Republic Day. Stop. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January in 1950, so we celebrate this day as the Republic Day every year. Stop. This year in 2016 we are celebrating 67th Republic Day of India. Stop. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has rights to elect their representatives as political leader to lead the country in right direction. Stop. So India is a republic country where public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to the Purn Swaraj in India. Stop. They did so that their future generations may live without struggle and led country ahead. Stop. The name of our great Indian leaders and freedom fighters. Stop. They fought continuously against the British rule to make India a free country. Stop. We can never forget their sacrifices towards our country. Stop. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. Stop. It has become possible just because of them that we can think from our own mind and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. Stop. Our first Indian president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who said that we find the whole of this vast land brought together under the jurisdiction of one constitution and one union, which takes over responsibility for the welfare of more than 320 million men and women inhabit it. Stop. How shame to say that still we are fighting with crime, corruption and violence in our country. Stop. Again, there is a need to get together to save our country from such slavery, as it is pulling our nation back from going to its mainstream of development and progress. Stop.